Do you want to delete your watch history on Instagram? You can remove Instagram watch history with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete your watch history on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select your activity. A new screen will appear with various activity options. Scroll down to the How You Use Instagram section and tap on Watch History. Here, you will see a list of all the videos and reels you've watched on Instagram. At the top of the screen, tap on the Select option. Now, choose the videos you want to delete. You can select multiple videos one by one. Once selected, tap on the Remove button at the bottom of the screen. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Remove on the confirmation pop-up. Once done, your Instagram watch history will be deleted, and previously watched videos will no longer appear in your watch history list.